As towns and cities begin to emerge from the challenges of coronavirus, local decision makers are beginning to redefine a sense of place to try rebuild the connection back into the community. In order to bring both community and the public together, Arloesi Gwynewledig has launched Helo Port. This is a pilot which will provide people with easier access to local information and will allow the people of Porthmadog, including visitors, to feed back on the area. At the end of the pilot, we will share your feedback with decision makers and aim to make better decisions about the real needs and interests of the community. So how does Helo Port work and how can you take part? Look out for any street object with a purple sign and a QR code on it. They are through the high street, at the park, at the harbour and also at the Welsh Highland Railway. Say hello by either scanning the QR code by opening the camera on your phone or text the phone number by choosing the language you wish to use. Add the text instruction and press send. You'll soon get a reply from the friendly object. Keep chatting to learn more about the local area and please share your thoughts and feedback.